Hi, I'm Michaela and I'm developing a game with some classmates for a project for class. You can check it out, it's called Clearly, and I put a link in the description to our Instagram page. With that said, saving systems. We wanted to implement a saving system in Clearly. And yeah, it was kind of hard because I didn't create a saving system before, but at the end we found a way to do it pretty easily. This way is called PlayerPrefs and it's really easy to use. It has no encryption, so your saving stuff is super vulnerable, but I don't fucking care. Like it's a saving system from the game. You can just use it to cheat on the game. Okay, if you want to cheat the game, okay, I think it's less fun, but do it if you want. So yeah, don't put passwords there, okay? The system we use is called PlayerPrefs, and it basically works saving a variable, which can be an integer, a float, or a string. You save that, and this variable keeps being existing even if you close the game, which doesn't happen with other variables. Okay, and how we implement this in Coroli is really easy. In Coroli, you can pass from one scene to another, but you cannot go backwards. So the scene you are is basically your progress in the game. So we just get the build index of that scene and we save that in a player press in an integer. Yeah, that's all about it. So later on, when you click on continue in the main menu, we just check that integer, and imagine the integer is 3. Well, go to scene 3. That's all about it. It's a really simple saving system, but with this same method you can save more stuff. Like imagine you want to save the player position. Well, you cannot save a vector 3 in player press, but you can save 3 floats, which is basically a vector 3. So yeah, imagine you want to save a boolean like true or false. You cannot save a boolean, but you can save an integer where 0 is false and 1 is true, and that's done. So yeah, it's really simple, but you can use it to really interesting stuff. Okay, so let's check how we use player prefs. Basically, in a line of code, wherever you want to put it, you write player prefs dot set int or set float or set string. Okay, then you open a parenthesis, you put quotation marks, and you put the key of this player prefs. It will be more clear what is the key later. Okay, you put the key. In my case, the key is day, and then you put a comma and the variable you want to save. In my case, is the index of the scene you are currently staying. Okay, and with that done, the thing is done. You just close the parentheses, put the end of the line, and yeah, that's all about it. Now, when you want to get this information again, you put PlayerPrefs dot get int or get float or get string, and you put in parentheses and in quotation marks the key. Okay, you can have a lot of keys. You can have 3 floats for the vector 3, and these 3 floats must have different keys. These keys could be like player position X, player position Y, and player position Z. And that will be all. You have your saving system. You can set the information in the key and get the information again with get int, get float, or get string. And that's all about it. It's really easy, really simple. This is going to be saved in some place, I don't know where. but it's super simple, it's super easy, and it has a problem because for Colorly we also wanted to save images. Like we have a drawing minigame, and we wanted to save these drawings between play and play. So we wanted for you to be able to close the game, and when you go back, the drawing is saved. That's a problem because you cannot save an image, a full PNG image, in an int or in a float or in a string. So yeah, how we do it? That's for the next video. If you share this video and a lot of people come here to learn how to use PlayerPrefs, I'll make a video about how I managed to save an image. It's more complex, but it's not that complex, okay? And if you are impatient and want to check it out already, the system I use is JSON, so check it out. And that will be all. Bye!